the corridors of justice, the Director of Public Prosecution says that he will present slightly over 200 witnesses in the 1.1 billion shillings Canada and Finland Scholarships scandal. Uasin Gishu Senator Jackson Mandago and his two co-accused persons, Joshua Lele and Meshach Rono, appeared Monday at the Nakuru Law Courts for a mention of the case that has caused protests in that county.
Senator Mandago and his co-accused are being charged for their involvement in the botched 1.1 billion shillings overseas education program. The prosecution told the court that it intends to present 202 witnesses, among other documents in the case.
The issue of supply of the documents is anchored on the orders which were granted by the court on 17th August 2023, that the documents are to be supplied at their own cost. So once they bear the costs, we will be keen to supply the documents within 2 weeks.
The defense counsel applied that they be granted 60 days to peruse the documents presented by the DPP in preparation for the case. On August 2023, the trio pleaded not guilty on 10 counts, including conspiracy to commit felony, stealing, and forgery when they were put on their defense. The case will be mentioned on January 15th, 2024. Elsewhere, the 63 billion shillings graft case facing former Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich failed to proceed despite the witnesses presenting themselves in court, as the prosecution declined to read them and adduce their evidence. Trial Magistrate Eunice Nyutu declined the prosecution's prayers of adjourning the matter for 14 days to give the new sworn-in Director of Public Prosecutions time to relook at the charges on the file, saying it was not on merit as the office did not make a written application for the prayers.
The DPP, under the Constitution at Article 157, has a discretion to file an application, whichever application, or to review a file at any time or at any stage of a trial. And that should not be a bar to this trial. And therefore, I find that considering that there are witnesses before the court, I find that the application for adjournment is without merit.
Rotich and his co-accused are charged for allegedly misappropriating the said amount that was meant for construction of Aror and Kimorer dams. Hearing of the matter continues tomorrow. Michael Mondiga for Prime Edition.